All right, we're gonna do a shop walkthrough. I promised you 2 years ago when we moved in here that after doing our blank walkthrough, starting out fresh, that I was going to do another one when we got all set up. I never did that, so my bad. This is gonna be the same style. I'm just gonna hold my phone up, show you guys around, and that's it. It's not gonna be anything fancy, but we will do a better one at some point. If you'd like it, we can do that. So we're in the office right now. Oh, one more thing. It is diesel week. What does that mean? That sounds stupid. What it means is 1023.com. Lower 48, all orders are available to ship for free, except for LTL stuff like transmissions and engines. Free shipping. And after next Friday, when the sale is over, there'll be a 5% store credit added to your account. So however much you spend, 5% back. And there might be something extra happening too. Wait till the end of the week. I don't know. We'll see. But right now, we're going to do an office walkthrough and then a shop walkthrough, and I'll show you guys what this looks like. So this is basically it. This is the office. It's set up. We have a bathroom. We have computers. And then just like our, counter, all the paraphernalia about how, cool and awesome we are on the walls back there. And then we've got it again. Oh yeah, we have some swag over there. And then we have a pretty transmission. We have a S&B stand thing. We have more things telling everyone how awesome we are right there. Anyway, I'm gonna make you super dizzy today. This is, oh yeah, there's that. We got a couple of these. I don't know where the other ones are, but Elite Dealer for KC Turbos. That was cool of them to send those. This is our waiting area. We need to paint this really bad. We have a cubby. Oh, don't look at the keys. This is our shipping quarter here. My apologies. You're gonna get so dizzy. Parts room. Parts room actually has parts in it now, unlike last time. We have just shelving, parts. It's all that's back there. And then we have our shop. So you're seeing this backwards and in reverse. We have 8 work bays in the main shop area. So 2 posts side by side, and then 2 flats next to them here. Same thing on the other side, two posts side by side, and then 2 flats next to them. And then some work area in the center also. And then over on the other side, we've got the transmission area, the dyno area, and then another flat work spot. So if we come over to this side of the building, whole nother section. We've got, this is all transmission workshop area. Sometime I'll do a real walkthrough with Robert. I promise I will do it and show you guys more about what he's doing in here. But we've got a big bay door right there. And this is pretty much just transmission stuff here. If you saw the post from the transmission building class, that all happened in here. That's transmission parts. And then transmissions, more transmission parts, lots of transmission parts. It's basically all we got here. And this is Robert's area. And you can see tables. Let's do tables of transmissions. Look at that. Just going and going. We've got lots of them. Let's take you to the dyno area. The dyno area is the next cool part. My arm's getting tired, by the way. This is more work than it looks like. Hey, look, more transmission parts on the other side of the wall. We have a giant parts cleaner. This thing's epic. I think it was an old military thing we picked up a couple years ago. It's pretty awesome. It was loud for a long time because the bearings were going out in the motor. It's fixed now. We have our dyno. So dyno we took out of the trailer after Prowl for Power. So it's just sitting here now. It goes in the ground. At some point, we'll do that. Whenever we know we don't have to put it back in the trailer again. And then we can go back out to the main shop here. And you guys can see the other side that you saw in the background earlier. So we've got, 6 main doors? And then big doors separating the 2 sides of the building. And I'll take you guys outside and you guys can look at parking. That's exciting, right? There's lots of stuff. We have like fluid things. I don't know. There's bolt bins. Dope engine stands too. These engine stands are epic. They're really nice. Let's go outside. I'm gonna get myself locked out here. Can almost guarantee it. 5 minutes you've been having to listen to this. Okay, so here's our parking. We don't have a lot of parking space here. It's not great. I think we've got like an acre of outside parking, if that. I don't think it's that, maybe it's half an acre. It's not awesome. But the views, my people, the views here are amazing. I'm sad because they kind of screwed up. They made our views, like our windows, facing the wrong side. Because if you face this way, we have mountains. Beautiful, giant mountains. Mountains you can't even see because it's so bright. But all the windows face the other way, where there really aren't mountains. But this is Palmer. If you could see what I'm seeing and you weren't totally dizzy and throwing up at this point, you would notice that across the way, let's see, over there, where is it? That building, that is the state fairgrounds. So it gets a little loud here in about a month when the party's going on. But that's pretty much it. Oh, I'm gonna show you a secret. Then we'll be done. I'm gonna show you one more thing. Robert's Port Dooley. You probably remember this thing. It was kind of like, it's kind of a, it got a little mangled. His 6'4" also got mangled. I feel sorry. Sorry, Robert. And we just have storage out here. So this is on the backside. Just stuff and things, and, you know, shop stuff. So anyway, I'll do a real walkthrough with Robert, talking more about the stuff he's working on, if you want to see it, and if you haven't thrown up yet. Oh, and turbo cores. Anybody want turbo cores? We got some of those. Have a good one. Buy some stuff if you want to. There's a big sale. 1023soul.com.